Snow cables. First thing you need, snow. We got snow. Second thing you need, Grumpy Joe's. $25 most car cables. If you're gonna do truck cables, they're 90 bucks. Simple cable, it's called the ZT. You set it down on the ground, right here at the tire. Kneel on the corner. Throw it around the backside. Around. Hook the bottom. Come on up a little bit closer here, girl. Hook the bottom. Notice here, flat side says tire side. You want this facing up, and you want it facing the tire. You take this hook and loop behind the tire. No, that's okay. Hook it. Shake it like a fat man pulling up his pants. Hook it in. Pull it a little bit snugger. And it's on. Last thing you need to do is put on the binders. Binders are real easy, just like the other ones. Flat side faces the tire. I hook the top and I hook the bottom. The easiest way to do this is grab with two hands and your thumbs and pull them on. First two are easy, second two are harder. Come on over here. This takes a little more strength, so you want to grab it like this and hook them in. There you go. Simple enough. Anyone can do it. All right? A carpet helps out too to keep your pants dry. Thank you much.